go there and go that way, down.
That sounds long. Here we go.
Yep.
Hello there.
How you doing?
Wow. Sitka, Alaska.
This is an old Indian river.
Hey, I like this.
Oh, look at that crow.
This is beautiful.
Oh. That's not cute.
Yes, very nice.
I thought that was a big ass duck over there, but it's not. It's something on a rock.
Dave, I wish that we can see a bear up here. Right?
Watch him run after us and we can't outrun him?
He's not going to run us after us.
See, oh,
We're
there's
up
people
here.
there. Let's go get them. I'm hungry. There's no salmon anymore running at this
And
time.
he comes here and then you're like this big.
I'm
like, never
I'm like
mind.
hanging off a chain off of the edge of the bridge, dangling. He's just pulling up the chain little by little.
Yeah.
Now make a left.
You sure?
100%.
Sure, but oh, there's salmon. There's salmon.
What?
There's salmon.
No, that would make sense. That would,
No, that's oh yeah, that's salmon. Where can we find them?
In the water?
A river of salmon.
Damn, look at that stump. There's your soapbox. Yeah, see, look, baby, look at barnacles. Barnacles and shells and stuff.
Free a little bit.
Yeah, get on that soapbox.
Okay?
You got up there? Jump down, jump. You can do it. Oh, look at that. Barrel dam right there.
With roots. Oh, look at that, the little,
What?
that thing.
Huh?
Look at that.
The hole?
Yeah,
I know, it's weird how it's
Oh.
growing, huh?
that's neat.
Well, I saw some leaves move over there.
Yeah. I'm actually more comfortable here because there's a lot of people. A lot of
Oh yeah, there's that too. I'm sure it's scary here at nighttime though. All the darkness, all
oh,
the
for
trees.
sure.
I mean, the kind of moonlight that might be around. Yeah, it's really come out at night.
Look at this one.
Yeah, it's cool.
Wow, there's like plants all over it.
Yep. How fast do you can break behind with that tree?
Huh? Oh, very fast. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
This is the one they practice. This is when they practice on the climb. That's why it's all torn up.
Oh my. Oh my.
Oh wow, that's cool looking, man. Dang,
Wow.
that's neat. That's neat looking, though, dude. Dang. It's like a natural varnish on it. I can feel it. It's like nice. That's cool looking, man.
I wonder if that came out good.
Oh, I'm sure it came out great. Came out 4K. Whoa, wow, there's little spikes on the little bit. Where are those spikes, eh? Hey, spikes on the branch.
Wow.
Think they're hard spikes? Touch it. Touch it with the camera.
No, they're hard, babe.
How do you know?
You can tell.
No, you can't. Touch
I
it.
swear to you, you can tell. Wow, there's a lot of broken trees around here.
Oh, weird stuff. Don't do it. Oh, there's the old trunk. These trunks are massive, man.
I'm getting creative.
Why, by sticking your thing in it and poking the bear in his den when you shoot me? You poke a bear and poke a fox?
See? So cute. Look at that. Woo.
Alright,
There's a lot.
yeah. the buffalo. The second one from the top is the buffalo.
Oh. Wow, that red eyes.
Yeah, that's a pretty lady with flowers in her hair. And I think those are her nipples. I'm serious, I think this is her hair and these are her boobs, her nipples.
You think?
I think so. You walk backwards, you can see the buffalo up there. You got the horns and everything. See? Right there? You got a green mask, see him?
Yeah.
With his hooves and stuff?
Why is he all the way up there?
I don't know, because they're precious to the natives. You know, they feed them and clothe them and do all kinds of stuff. Here's your patties there.
We're at the Sitka National Historical Park and Totem Pole Trail.
There's your pot, that one.
No, we just got our faces.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. Wow. Ooh.
Yeah, the house is good, dude. The house with a boat ramp and stuff. Man, it's cool.
We should do this. No, but then now there's just the air.
No, I've noticed that when we're running off screen here, it's pretty noisy. Is us.
Swing it around, so there's any bears hiding underneath the bridge. He's all crept up underneath one of the posts. He's sitting there waiting to pounce. He's from a little post like this. His hand lengths, and he's like, perched up like that. He's
Yeah.
like waiting. And he's like going a little.
It's like
in cartoons.
that chick is irritating. I'm gonna get her again.
Oh, shit, man.
Oh, we didn't get this, right? Look at this.
What? Oh, yeah.
Look at this. Isn't it cool?
That's cool, man.
Okay.
I thought that you liked fish eye.
No, this is different though because
Uh-oh.
it shows the top. It's not really
Oh,
fish
that's
eye.
cool.
It just shows
Yeah.
the top.
Yeah, that side of the tree is cool, man. It's cool looking.
I know.
You look like giants. Those are white eagles. They almost look taller than me. They almost look taller than me. It levels the playing field. I don't think so much. That's kinky creative. That's creative with a K. You riding your stick now? That's the witch shot.